In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record a refundable deposit in QuickBooks Online. A refundable deposit is money you're holding temporarily, like a security deposit from a customer or a retainer you may need to return. Because it isn't income and you still owe it back, you'll want to track it as a liability. The cleanest way to do that is by creating a dedicated account in your chart of accounts. Start by opening your chart of accounts. In QuickBooks Online, click the gear icon in the top right corner of your screen, then choose Chart of Accounts. This is your company's list of buckets for tracking where money comes from and where it goes, and it controls how those amounts appear on your reports. Once you're in the Chart of Accounts, look for the option to add a new account and select New. You're creating a place to store refundable deposit activity, so give the account a clear, memorable name that makes sense to you and anyone else using your books. Something like refundable deposits or customer security deposits can help you identify it quickly when you're categorizing transactions later. For the account type, choose Other Current Liabilities. This is important because it tells QuickBooks that the funds are owed back within the near term and should appear on your balance sheet as a liability, not as income. Then, select the detail type that best matches your situation. Options vary, but look for one that aligns with deposits or customer liabilities. If you're unsure, pick the closest match and keep your naming clear, or check with your accounting professional for guidance that fits your workflow. When you're ready, click Save. Your new refundable deposit account is now part of your chart of accounts and ready to use. From here, you have two practical ways to work with it. As you create transactions, you can select this new account as the category. For example, when you receive a deposit you're expected to return, categorize it to the refundable deposit account instead of income. That keeps your profit and loss clean and shows the deposit properly as money you owe. Alternatively, you can go back to the chart of accounts, find the new account, and click View Register. The register is like a ledger for that specific account, where you can manually enter or review activity tied to those deposits. This can be helpful for tracking balances over time and adding notes for clarity. That's all there is to it. With a properly set up liability account, your refundable deposits will be organized, accurate, and easy to manage in QuickBooks Online.